How exciting! I've got a box of goodies. Okay, we're going to see what's in here for the first time together. Alright, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Okay, I'll keep it brief so that I can upload this and get you guys to share the excitement with me. So, get that open. Alright, oh my goodness, I've got flowers on the table in a vase. Oh my goodness, I don't want to knock it over. Alright, let's see what's in here. Wow, let's get rid of the packaging. We don't need to look at that. Oh my goodness, it's like tons of it. Now I'm down to half a box. Alright, we've got Stampin' Up, cut and emboss, keeping tabs dies. Alright, I can't even remember what I got. I have a feeling I know what that is. Close to my heart product through Stampin' Up. This is Enjoy the Ride card making workshop. Some of these are on the Close to My Heart website. You need to search for me at the moment. I'm learning how to do host codes and everything. This is the in color pack for 2024-2026. I'll open these up later when we've got time, and I can do a Facebook Live. I did also get the Enjoy the Ride scrapbooking kit. How exciting. The last time I looked, these new products were still available through the Stampin' Up website. Please make sure that you are shopping with me, so make sure you search me out as your demonstrator. Enjoy the Ride. This is the coordinating cardstock, so still Close to My Heart cardstock, so it's dual tone, so two different colors. I did get extras because I knew this product was going to sell out, so I have limited supplies if my customers do want them. I know this is sold out. This is a really fancy die set, baseline alphabet, so I know that one is sold out. The coordinating stamp set and thin cut, as you can see, they're still packaged the way Close to My Heart does, so it's eventually will all move over, and the Close to My Heart products will actually stop when they run out of the pre-ordered stuff. Spotlight on Nature dies. Alright, I have to look into that one. I know what that one is, but I did buy a couple of packets of the coordinating Enjoy the Ride dots. They are so pretty, and I know you can't actually see the colours, but it basically is these colours. They're nice, bright colours. This is the paper pack and sticker sheet. Ooh la la, so pretty. So I have a couple of spares. I didn't want my customers to miss out. We've got keeping tabs that goes with that die. So this is the Stampin' Up product. I've got the second stamp set that was available, the card making one, to make this layered flower stamping and thin cuts. I've got the Flowers of Beauty stamp and thin cut. This cut and embossing folder. This one, this is dies for the Flowers and Beauty, and then some ephemera, the flowers ephemera. All right, ladies, thanks for watching. Bye.